Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install Forge for Minecraft Java Edition. Firstly, open your browser and go to the official Forge download site. Choose Windows Installer if you're using Windows. For Mac or Linux, click Installer. Use this recommended version if you're unsure or don't have specific modes in mind, or use this Show All Versions option if you're looking to a version compatible with older mods. Once you've made your selection, you'll be redirected to a page with an advertisement. Just skip it and locate the downloaded Forge installer file, then double-click it to open the installer. Click Install Client in the installer window and click OK to begin the process. Now open your Minecraft Java Edition client and click the up arrow next to play button to open the profile selector. Choose the profile labeled as Forge and click play. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.